I'm Joe, and you're in Joe's Kitchen, and I've got a special dish that we're going to prepare, but before we can prepare it, I have to create a seasoning, and that's what we're going to do today. And so my question to you is, what does coriander, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, fennel seed, black pepper, nutmeg, and cloves have in common? Well, they're all in the Garam Masala seasoning, and that's what we're making right now. So come join us. Well, without further ado, let's get to it.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat, we're gonna eat and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right.
All right, well, you're probably wondering, or maybe you already know, what is Garam Masala seasoning? I don't know why I always want to say marsala, but it's masala. It is a warm spice created from different herbs. It's from an Indian background. It's made Indian dishes very flavorful, and it's going to be an ingredient in one of the dishes that we're making. Look out for that, and that's going to be my tofu tikka marsala that I'm making with a gourmet air fryer. So that's going to be on another video. Look for that. But right now, this is going to be a quick video. We're just going to put these seasonings together to make this Garam Masala spice. And got it right that time. So anyways, got 5 C's: coriander, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves. That's 5, right? And we have a few other things. But we're going to start with the fennel seed. And we need to grind this down before we can add it and incorporate it with everything else. So here we go. So we're going to take our fennel seed, put it in our pestle mortar kit here. I'm just going to grind the heck out of that and try to break those seeds down. They get fragrant at the same time. In fact, I can smell it right now. I'm going to do that. Maybe do a little popping, rubbing. And you can see it's breaking down some already. I'm going to keep doing that for a little bit more. And now there's probably a lot of variations of the Garam Masala seasoning. I did my research. This is kind of the basics of it. And you know, I guess you could manipulate it to make it a little hotter. It will be a warm spice when we're done with it. So, and what is cardamom? Well, you probably know, but I didn't know. Cardamom comes from a plant. It's a seed from a plant from the ginger family. So it kind of gives it that brightness, that ginger would. A little bit of heat as well. So we're going to add our coriander, cumin, cardamom, and cinnamon right there. Basically just going to combine all ingredients together. Then I have the black pepper, nutmeg, and cloves grounded. And my fennel seeds, give it one more little rub down here. There we go, breaking it up really good. And I'm going to add that in as well. That's kind of almost minty smell. And I'm just going to mix that thoroughly. Put it in a container, keep it in a dry area, and then use it in our recipe that we're going to be doing later. So look for that other recipe of the tofu tikka masala, and done with the air fryer. And we'll be using this Garam Masala in that to create that wonderful delicious dish. Anyways, that's about does it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, enjoy food.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat, we're gonna eat and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right.